Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Inshallah, this is your girl Seher. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're in the parking lot, and today is finally the day we are leaving for Andaman. Inshallah, 1.5 hours time, we should reach the airport, and it's 4:30 in the morning, and we should be there by 6 at the most, if not. So yeah, I'll just keep you posted, and I'll catch up with you guys once I reach there. तो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट एयरपोर्ट के नज़दीक पहुंच गए. द रोड टू द एयरपोर्ट, द few hundred meters, is very beautiful and the airport itself is very beautiful as you've seen in my previous vlog. मुझे इंडिया के डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्ट में से ये वाला एयरपोर्ट बहुत सही लगता है in comparison to the many other airports I've seen. So let me know if you guys have seen Bangalore airport or which is the best airport according to you in India. So people, we have reached and we are on for Andaman. Husband, are you excited?
Very much, very much. Scuba diving, scuba diving, scuba diving.
So my parents are already here, they're waiting for us. They have come from Mysore and we have just reached. So we'll be catching up with them in about a few minutes, and I'll get you to meet them. So जैसे ही हम लोग पहुँचे, मेरे मॉम और डैड ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे थे. So this is my mom and the person walking right in front of it is my dad, and उसके आगे मेरा भाई वॉक कर रहा है. तो बेसिकली हुआ यूँ कि जब हम लोग पहुँचे और ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह किया, बोर्डिंग टाइम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका था, तो हम लोग अंदर की तरफ रश किए. एंड वहाँ पे जाकर हमें पता चला कि जो सैम्पल हम RT-PCR के लिए देते हैं, वो सैम्पल डेट से लेकर till the time of your flight leaves it should be 48 hours, और हमारा ऑलमोस्ट 72 आवर्स हो रहा था. इसकी वजह से हम लोगों को स्पेशल परमिशन लेना पड़ा फ्रॉम दी अंडमान मैजिस्ट्रेट, एंड इसलिए इतने क्योस में मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई थी. बट वी वर सिटिंग ऑन द बस and we were about to leave on the flight, but thankfully everything went within the time frame itself. So हम लोग फाइनली फ्लाइट गए. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोसीजर था, बहुत ज़्यादा धाम था. हम लोग 6 o'clock अंदर गए, पर हम लोग ऑन टाइम बोट फ्लाइट निकलने के 10 मिनट पहले अंदर आए. इतना तामझाम था. आई विल टेल यू इन डिटेल व्हेन आई रीच देयर. So guys, here we reached Chennai airport, and from here we were walking towards the departure area for the connecting flight to Port Blair. So this is the first glimpse of Andaman in general, Port Blair. It was very misty and foggy because of the cyclone that had just was passing away, and we didn't get a clear view from it, but it was green and lush. I was thoroughly impressed that a coastal area could have such greenery. And since this airport is a defense airport, we were not allowed to take any videos or photos at this place, and I just took a single clips of it. And as you can see, we have reached Port Blair, and through and through with the rain, it was really beautiful. We could see the sea as far as the eyesight could go, and we were really happy with the weather and the view, of course. So this is how Port Blair welcomed us. Hey guys, we reached Port Blair, and as soon as we came, we were greeted by rains. I think we are cursed with that, but
Alhamdulillah for Allah's rahmat. The place we're staying in, Port Blair, is Salt Life, and let me just show you the view. It's all ocean. Can you see? It's all ocean, 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 and ocean and more ocean. It's beautiful. Words cannot do justice to the place. Good.
Salt Life is run by Zahir, and I have to really thank him for the hospitality. I was not able to introduce because of our schedule, but inshallah, I will definitely be going back, and I'll introduce you to Zahir who helped us out. I am all by myself in the room, and I say just बैठी हूँ. We are going to head out for dinner. हम लोग सो गए थे for 2 hours. We were really tired. So let me just tell you what happened at airport, why I wasn't able to film as much as I thought I would film, because हुआ ये कि COVID की वजह से there are a lot of protocols, especially for this. I don't know if it was for the Andaman trip itself, but बहुत सारे protocols थे. Every corner पे they were checking our boarding passes, and it was really difficult. तो हुआ ये कि बहुत सारी जगह बोर्डिंग चेक कर रहे थे, फिर थोड़ी जगह पे दे वर चेकिंग द RT-PCR टेस्ट. तो बहुत सारा लोचा था. लाइक वी वर 5 of us, एंड 5 का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करना विदाउट लूजिंग द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वाज अ बिग हैसल. एंड द अदर थिंग वाज वी वर नॉट इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट कि सैम्पल जिस दिन कलेक्ट होगा उस दिन से 48 आवर्स काउंट होगा. एंड we were under the impression that whenever the result comes from that day it will be 48 hours. तो हमारा बहुत पंगा हुआ. Literally my husband had to literally talk to the officials and get a special permission to kind of get us to come here. Like he had to get an approval because हमारा around 72 hours दिखा रहा था, whereas it has to be between 48 to 72 hours. Within that हमारा उसके ऊपर दिखा रहा था because of the sample date we collected earlier on. So I wanted to let you guys know about it so that you are very well prepared, especially when you have family. You have to be prepared, and do carry some snacks along with you. I will definitely ask you to do that, because although it showed 1.5 hours time between Chennai to Andaman, I mean Chennai, like from Bangalore we reached Chennai, and Chennai we had to board another flight to Port Blair. Even though it showed 1.5 hours, we just went to washroom, and by the time like just after 10 minutes the boarding had already started for the flight to Port Blair. So Port Blair के boarding के लिए ही 1 hour लगा हम लोगों को, and I'm not lying to you, this is a fact. 1 hour time for the boarding it took. And there are many eateries around there, but इतना protocol है. I don't know if it is especially for this, but I saw everybody else do it, so I'm assuming that it's for everyone. There is a lot of protocols right now for traveling, so make sure that your documents are correct and you are well prepared and have some snacks and everything ready for you.
इसमें समझ एक ही छोटा एरिया है सर, वहाँ पे गाड़ी का थोड़ा शॉर्टेज है, तो वो मल्टीपल ट्रिप्स करता रहता है. दिख रहा नहीं बैनर, वो ग्रीन एंड ऑरेंज.
So guys, on the day 1 we have come to the new Lighthouse restaurant in Port Blair. This is one of the oldest seafood restaurants, and we have a lobster there, as you can see. That looks fine, and we're gonna have it. गरम है. अच्छा छोड़ो.
नहीं ऐसे चल जा सकते हैं वहाँ से आप लोग. हाँ इवनिंग टाइम आराम से चल जा सकते हैं.
तो जाते थे, अब तो टाइम हो गया.
नॉलेज तो इनके पास है ना.